see that taking the baby to sentence, I think that is a clue to something. Taking the baby to sentence is a clue and a smoke screen. And I'm thinking it can be one of two things. You understand? I believe it can be they use it as an opportunity to bring Jayden body out of Manchester. Right? Or they can use it as an opportunity because the father for the baby was there. And him no want go to Manchester in a Mandeville hospital to go visit the baby. So that's why they bring it. It can be one of the two things. But let me tell you something. Me no understand. And you say somebody, I am not tough-headed now. If somebody can explain to me a better understanding, let me get it, why she want to move a baby, 2-year-old baby with a broken femur bone or a fractured femur bone 3 hours away. Somebody explain it to me and make me understand. Because I don't understand that. That's something we don't understand. Yeah? And I believe that we should not ease up off of the police in Jamaica, because the police in Jamaica, they're careless and they're worthless. They're very careless down in Jamaica. Very, 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 very careless. Because there's ample amount of evidence where if they want to go and seek what happened to this child, they could have. They could have. I'm telling you, if Jamaican authorities want to find out what happened to this baby boy, they could have. And one of the things, there's a MP lady. You see how disgusting these people are, Janet? Janet, come let me tell you how disgusting these people are, right? Come let me tell you, Janet, how disgusting these people are. There's an MP lady. I can't remember her name right now, so I'm going to call her Miss Dog Shit. Because I can't remember her name. So I'm going to call her Miss Dog Shit. So there's an MP lady called Miss Dog Shit, where she went and handed scholarship to Jayden. Guys, did you know that Jayden have a scholarship to Manchester High School till he's 18? Well, if you never know, he have a scholarship to Manchester High School up until he's 18-year-old, okay? And it was presented to him by one MP who want to call Miss Dog Shit. Me not remember if I Crawford her name. Me just say Miss Dog Shit. Me can't remember her name right now, so me I go call her Miss Dog Shit. Right? So one MP lady, Miss Dog Shit, as she present the scholarship to Jayden. And you tell me, say, as an MP, well, we are bad for this little boy. We are cry for this little boy. We are bad for justice for this little boy. And you as an MP, you're here. You come by your national TV and you not ask your dog shit self say. Hold on. Another little boy, let me go get the scholarship to what happened to him? I make me go right to the Minister of Justice. I make you go find out what going. You tell me say son bun you make you stink already so much that you can't go figure out what going. Dog shit lady. Let me tell you something. Me no respect none of them. Me can't tell you say me no respect none of them. Me don't respect none of them because let me tell you something. You see if I feed them pitney, you see if it was their pitney, you see if me see feel Prime Minister at Jamaica, people can't tell him say no it's big like for me. And he find them and chastise them. You hear me? I want them to know this what me I say. Me say them tell him about his nose. Say it big like for me. And yes, I feel nose really bigger than for me for true. Right? And him find the people them and tell them to come on national TV, come tell them sorry about him big nose are bigger than mine. So why you cannot tell your MPs them and your police people them say, we're not going to probe about that case? Because I am telling you, there is sufficient evidence there to lock away somebody in the sweatbox. And that is not no question me I ask you. And I am not a trained PI. Let me tell you something, guys. And this is my honestly belief, right? You see, if we ease up off of this case, big up everybody when in the chat. Big up everybody when make a comment. Big up the whole of Uno. Every single time me and big Uno, because I'm telling you something. Uno is the engine to our Guanas right now. This is not a competition. This is a mission. We want to put them to safe in a society. What me say? Me no depend no hype thing, me not look no views thing. Me want we pick them to safe. And until them safe, we are gonna chat till we get dumb. Dirty, nasty politician and dirty police. We want we pick them to safe, boy. Because you see what happened? Let me tell you something, you know. That's why them tell us, you see, to be poor is a crime and get out of the jail. I wonder when poor people are going to get bail. Because on the field we pitney them sit there reach, you know. On the hour pitney, I better for them pitney get chauffeur driven. I better for them pitney get security carrying gas school and security go pick them up. You think nobody have no time to take away for them pitney? How many times you say one for them pitney miss unless I want for them see them come ready it and mix it up and set up a pitney for ransom? Go last year October when I go and Google 1011 pitney missing in Jamaica up until October last year. Me never bother tell about November and December. Up until October last year, 1011 children went missing in Jamaica, and none of them was the no prime minister, or no MP, or no police, or nobody like that. I just poor people, and we alone and texted and then come like a leeches. And let me tell you something. Them can't dumb me, no. Them can't dumb me up. Them cannot dumb me up, cause the only thing. For me, if you stop chat, them have to go take your life out of me body, cause me nah stop chat. We want justice. You think me business when nobody wants me chat too much? You think me care? I care zero who wants me chat too much. We want to pick them for safe in a society. Cause for no dog shit, we want to go up in our parliament and knock on us and get the most money and raise up for no pay. And we the suffer them don't here suffer. You understand? Make Jayden had come from one of them era Dan. I make Jayden did come from Skeng Dan. I one of them there. Make a one for them and they pick me and so happen. They find him back long time. And if they find him unalive, then live him back. So what full life don't count. Our life don't count. One of you have a papi show. I want to know if you tell me what that MP woman that they do. Tell me what that MP woman they do. What is she doing? Tell me, because you're going to tell me now. Exactly, Michelle. Yo, guys, let me tell you, sometimes I get emotional because sometimes some things I want to call, some names I want to call these people, you know. I just because me no want to think bad of me, no, some name I want to call them all grass, my tell you, man. Them people are wicked. When they're not trafficking, when they not sell people pitney for organ, they must sell people pitney for guitar. Let me show you something. You see, a stream, a river stream can only be as clean as the head of the stream. A river can only be as clean as the head of the stream. And right now, I tell you, if we head of the stream, dirty water we get down the stream. We can't wash our clothes down there. The whole of the water where come from is dirty. We can't tell you that. Because I feel with Prime Minister and feel with Security Minister and all of them are drunk and selfish bastard, the all of them. Right now, the way almost say our police force in Jamaica, them are going like them are one legal gang. Yeah, see our people are born in Jamaica and live in Jamaica other than life afraid to go back down there. People are born in Jamaica afraid because what? Go alright. You know what, don't take my refuge, go up and Google and see. how much people police unalive down there since this year. Police unalive the people. Because you see what happened? Them not feel like say police and community if you have no dialogue, you know. They feel like say they can unalive what them without a problem at Jamaica, you know. And when you unalive your without a problem, look, they unalive Bojo. Bojo have 2 sons. When them say they come and turn against the system, what am I gonna say? I only create these monsters. Mars, you know say Jamaica move? Mars, come here, Mars. You know say Jamaica move? How long you not go back to Jamaica? You know say Jamaica move though? Papa Jesus. Hey. Jamaica move, you know? Jamaica did this. You remember where you did it? Jamaica did this again, my love. I'm sorry. Jamaica did this. Jamaica move. So, I don't even know right now if it is. Yeah, man. Come, guys, come. If you don't have something to say, because I feel like someone don't have something to say, I'm not going like on a show. Come. Come tell me what you have to say. Come. Come talk to me. Come. Come talk to me and tell me what you have to say. Oh, no, if you do TikTok, press on the request and send up a request and come tell me what you have to talk to me, say.
Hi, good morning. Oh, good afternoon. The question and answer, yeah, the question and answer. The question I want to ask you, Tiger, at what time? I think a question if you ask and you answer.
But ask the question, we can answer them same way.
Oh, yeah, may I ask you, at what time did she left Mandeville Hospital to Sentence Bay Hospital? Sentence Hospital or Sentence Bay? Do you know what time she left?
We don't know the exact time, but we feel like it was in the day, but we don't know the exact time.
Okay, in the day. After she leave, after she go wash up, and she come back, right?
Yeah.
Then she leave the hospital.